There's really good people too. I know. I like forced to.
Careful. Nathan! Are you okay? Are you?
Yeah. But I need more broccoli.
Connor, don't do that, okay?
I just messed up.
Connor, your leg almost went all the way through there. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do that again. I was just supposed to already.
Your leg like fell all the way through. Jump off over here so that you can dry off. Jump. Jump. And shake your jacket off.
It's so slippery.
Be careful.
Here, Connie, you'll do that and like